Hello everyone, my name is Smriti Soni and I am currently pursuing an MBA in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. In this video, I will be explaining job roles related to my field with their uh, responsibilities. I will be talking about warehouse manager, which is highly related to my field and is a key position in logistics and supply chain management. A warehouse manager is highly responsible for managing day-to-day operations going through or in the warehouse to ensure availability, storage, and efficient moving of goods while picking and overdocking. The major responsibilities of a warehouse operations manager includes managing inbound and outbound operations activities, supervising warehouse staff and allocation of work to them, ensuring proper availability of inventory and storing and safety of the stocks, implementing safety and compliance standards, coordinating with transportation and procurement teams, monitoring warehouse activities as well as the production of warehouse. This role ensures that products are delivered and stored safely and the availability of them. The technical skill required for the role of warehouse operations manager is knowledge of WMS warehouse management system and knowledge of having inventory control methods such as FSN, ABC, process optimization and layout planning as well, basic ERP, SAP, Oracle and reporting skills. The other soft skills required are leadership skill, team management, time management, decision making, and having the ability to work under pressure. Since this is a people-oriented work, skills such as leadership and communication are highly required. Warehouse operations manager have excellent career growth opportunities as well as having the opportunity to work under critical situation. With experience, they can move into the following job roles such as operations manager, senior warehouse manager, supply chain manager, and distribution center head of RDCs as well as the CDCs. Industries such as e-commerce, quick commerce, FMCG, and third-party logistics, four-party logistics offer better job role as well as the pay for them. This job role is better for those who enjoy operations challenges, warehouse challenges, team leadership, process improvement. It has strong career growth as well as having the warehouse manager is having the strong experience opportunity related to the quick commerce and e-commerce, FMCG, third party, 4PL and related companies. This role works as a backbone of logistics as it ensures timely availability and delivery of goods and services to the end customers. As efficient warehouse management ensures that delivery is on time, cost reduction and customer satisfaction. A skilled warehouse operations manager ensures coordination between storage, warehousing as well as the transportation. This role directly contributes to the operational efficiency as well as the competitive advantage over the competitors. So let's come to the conclusion. To conclude, the warehouse operations manager plays a vital role in logistics and supply chain management as it ensures efficient logistics. This role is better suited for those who work hands-on experience, operations, team leadership and continuous improvement in their professional image as well as the experience. It offers strong growth, building of professional image, practical exposure to the e-commerce and quick commerce companies. Thank you.